How to understand Google AdWords versus Google Ads fast. In the world of digital marketing, understanding the difference between Google AdWords and Google Ads can sometimes be confusing. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but do they really mean the same thing? In the simplest terms, Google Ads is the new name for what was formerly known as Google AdWords. This change was implemented in 2018 as part of a significant rebranding effort by Google. Google AdWords was launched in 2000 as an online advertising platform that allowed businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results and its advertising network. With tools for bid management and performance tracking, it was revolutionary for creating highly targeted ad campaigns. However, as the advertising landscape evolved, Google decided to rebrand to Google Ads. This rebranding was more than just a change of name, it represented an expansion of the platform. Google Ads encompasses not only the search engine ads, but also display ads, YouTube video ads, and ads within apps. It provides a more comprehensive suite of advertising options for businesses. Understanding these elements helps marketers make the most of their advertising strategies. If your goal is to reach users on YouTube or within apps, for example, Google Ads offers these options, whereas Google AdWords was more focused on search and display. In summary, Google Ads is essentially an evolution of what Google AdWords offered, expanding its capabilities and integrating with other Google platforms. This change reflects Google's broader vision of an all-encompassing advertising service. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into digital marketing tools and strategies.